So that is how I've been doing when it comes to purchasing, Tesla stock. I just go in every day and I buy $30 worth of the stock, you know. And the reason why I do that $30 is like I believe that everybody can afford that. Even if you work at, Dunkin' Donuts, you work at Walmart, that is like maybe 2 or 3 hours worth of, your working hours for the day. So, you can sacrifice that every day into investing into a great company like this. That is how I look at it. Hello everyone, my name is Kaseem. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to go over Tesla stock. We are going to do my weekly update where I update you guys on a weekly basis what is going on with my Tesla investment. And before we get into it, I have a huge announcement. I finally made it to Tesla factory. As you guys can see in this video, I made it to Tesla factory in Fremont. I went there to check out the factory. I didn't go inside the factory, but I just went outside, check the cars out, drive around the parking lot, just check out the place. It was so much fun actually going there, seeing the place, being excited, being more excited with my Tesla investment. Just keep on doing what I'm doing. And basically what I'm trying to do now is I've raised the amount of money that I'm contributing into Tesla stock, which is $30. I put $30 into Tesla stock every day. So one of the reasons why I specifically do it that way is because I believe in the company. I believe in the company's mission. I believe in what they are doing. So I want to be a part of it, both the investment side and obviously driving the product and using the products in the future. So this is the first side that I'm working on, building my investment, building up my holding in Tesla, trying to grow it. Over time, I want to have a decent amount of my portfolio in Tesla stock because I really do believe in their mission and what they're doing. And just being in the factory alone got me so excited about the company. So I'm going to share with you what my portfolio is looking like, what the chart is looking like. I'm gonna do a little price prediction, and then we're just gonna get into everything in today's video. So quick disclaimer, like I always say, I'm not a financial advisor. Look in the description to check out my disclaimers. I'm not a financial advice. This is not financial advice. I'm not giving you financial advice. So we are going to get right into it, okay? So if you're watching this video for the first time, I want you to know that the whole point of me investing in a company is that I like what the company is doing, like I said earlier. Number two, the way that I'm approaching it is that I have this YouTube channel where I'm building a platform and I want to impact the world in a positive way based off of the way that I see the world. So one of the ways that I see that I can help people is by showing people that investing does not, investing, you don't have to be a very rich person to invest in the markets. And what I did was to pick a company like Tesla. I just picked one company and I picked Tesla. And the reason why I did that is because I like the company. I believe in the company's mission. I believe in what they're doing. So the way that I can make an impact in other people's lives is by showing you exactly how that before it was $20 a day that I was investing. Now I bumped it up to about $30 a day. So what I do every week, I do one video like this that you're watching, showing you how the stock is performing on a regular basis. And then once in a while, if there's some news that I need to talk about, if there's some fake news that's going on that I need to talk about, I'll talk about it. But there's a lot out there, but I've just been ignoring them. But anyways, let's get right into the stock in today's video. Okay, we are going to look over my current holdings and we're going to talk about it. So this is what the current holding is looking like. So we have about 11,000 in Tesla stock. Guys, not too long ago, I started this like maybe a year and a half ago. And the only thing I was doing is every day I buy $20 worth of Tesla stock. Every day I buy $20, Monday to Friday, January to December. And I'm just going to keep on doing that for a long time and see what's going to happen. If the company end up breaking out and, they become, a multi-trillion-dollar company, this $11,000 that you're looking at right now, it can be worth so much money in the future. So, I'm going to keep on doing these videos and updating you guys on a weekly basis accordingly, so we can all, learn from what I'm doing here. But anyway, so this is what we're looking like. We're at $11,000, which is a milestone. So today, the holding was up $200. In a week, for the week, it's down so far. For the month, it's usually a 30-day period. So maybe this 30 days compared to the last 30 days, we're up $500 in just Tesla alone, 5%. And in the past 3 months, in general, compared to the previous 3 months, we are down $700. But in the past year, compared to the previous year, which is not really a comparison because I started this not too long ago. Matter of fact, this was started in June 2020. So we just got just over a year. And, we've been able to save this much money into Tesla stock. So anyways, so for the year, we're up $2,800, 67% so far, which is not bad. And overall, you guys can see the date right here, March 19th, 2020. That's when this data is from. And it's up 106%, $3,000 in profit. So that is what that is. I currently own about 16 shares. Hopefully by the end of this year, I can try to double that, double what I have. So I'm looking forward to working hard and adding more money to this. So hopefully we can do that. And then what I also wanted to look at is before we get into this news, just want to talk about some of them. Before we get into it, I want to show you the transaction side of things so you guys see what I've been doing lately. And what I'm going to do is, just give me a second. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here proof of what I've been doing so far. Okay. So we're going to go over some few things. So as you guys see, every day, like I always do, I'm constantly buying, $30. That I've bumped it up to $30, like I said. Some days I will buy more, some days I will buy less. Okay. So let's take a day like this day here where I put in $200. I did a video recently. It's called Buying the Dip. I'll leave it in the card. You can go watch that video. Basically, anytime the whole portfolio goes down big time for the week, I'll go in and buy across my whole M1 portfolio. But for this Tesla section of the portfolio, this day I added $200. If I go pop right into the chart really quickly, let me readjust this. If we pop right into the chart really quickly, that was July. Let's see if I can bring up about a month or so. That was when the stock was going down like crazy right here. Let's take a look at that real quick. That was July 13th. July 13. So it was this day, most likely 14 and 13 here. It was this day. Basically, I jumped in. I bought a whole lot. If you look at the previous highs at this point, the previous highest period at this point, it dropped a whole lot. So in these 2 days, I bought some more. And then this was the first $200. This is $200 here. And then if we go and look, $30 there, $30 here, $150 here. This one that I put in 365. That was the. So if you take a look here, look at the 6th of July. It was around this point that I'm pointing at right here, around this time. And then I put in at $300. It fell. So basically what I'm trying to do in general here is I just go in every time the stock drops significantly and I add a little bit more. I add a little bit more. So over time I can own more of Tesla stock. But in general, I have a floor, a very basic amount that I buy. You guys see here, I went from $20, $20, $20 on average to adding $30 on a regular basis here, $30 here. And ever since then, I've been adding pretty much $30 every day into the stock. And if you take a look at the chart, we take a look at the chart here really quickly. That is what I'm trying to do here. I keep a close eye on this chart, and the days where the stock drops, it drops significantly in a couple of days here. Anytime it's showing a very strong strength, I go in and buy. I buy the dip. I put more money in there, and then when it start going up like this, I put my regular $20 in, and the days that is having this big dip, I go in and buy some more. Buy some more and buy some more. And then the days that we're having the regular green uptrend here, I just buy bit by bit. So that is how I've been doing when it comes to purchasing Tesla stock. I just go in every day and I buy $30 worth of the stock, and the reason why I do that $30 is, like, I believe that everybody can afford that. Even if you work at Dunkin' Donuts, you work at Walmart, that is like maybe 2 or 3 hours worth of, your working hours for the day. So, you can sacrifice that every day into investing into a great company like this. That is how I look at it. Do your own research. Don't just listen to me. Do your own research. Look at the reason why so many people are so bullish on this company. I mean, if you guys look at what they're doing, they're creating cars that can drive itself. Their cars that they have right now is virtually like, it's strong. It's basically like, look at the Cybertruck. You can't probably destroy that car. So many good things that this company is doing. I believe that more people need to pay attention to the stock. So getting into it here, we are gonna just take a look at some of these headlines here, just really briefly. You see, some of these things is like, it just don't make sense. Consumer Report says Tesla full self-driving software lacks safeguards. Okay, I'm sure whatever they say is lacking, I'm sure Tesla has thought about it. They've probably worked on it, and it's an ongoing process, because remember, guys, nobody has ever made anything like this before. Create cars that can drive itself. Nobody has been able to do this, and the one company that is working on it, you have Consumer Reports always bashing them. First of all, Consumer Reports is not really they're not so friendly with Tesla. Let's just put that out there so you guys know. So Goldman Sachs is bullish on Tesla. I'm sure they are. Because recently Goldman Sachs have been more bullish. They've researched the company more. They've done their homework a lot better, and they realize, like, damn, this company, they're doing something different. So they're doing well. Tesla is doing well. Okay, and then this one talks about how Tesla overcame negative press in China. Yeah, I remember that time that they had a lady that jumped in front of Tesla cars, screaming that the brakes don't work. Negative press. I mean, all this thing, it happens all over again. But me, what I do, I look above the noise. Okay, all this stuff that goes on in the stock is just pure noise. If we look at this, if I had listened to most of these people on Wall Street, you would have missed out. I would have missed out on 100% gain. Anyways, that's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you've learned something. The idea of this video is I just want to just have a quick conversation with you guys, share with you what my portfolio is looking like, show you some of the pictures that I got from the Tesla factory, going there to check it out. Even though it was just a few pictures, but I love the fact that I went there to see the factory, see cars, like see the whole place, drive around the place, see cars everywhere. It's just quite amazing. So I want to share that with you, and at the same time show you my portfolio, show you what I do when I'm buying. I believe over time this would be the single greatest investment I probably would make in my lifetime. So I'll just keep on doing my thing and be sharing it with you on this channel. So if you like what I do, consider subscribing. Like I always say, subscribe if you like what I do, and give the video a like if you like it. It helps me out. It tells YouTube that, hey, people like what this guy's channel is about. Let's share it to other people. So please do that. Appreciate it. So until next time, see you later. Love you all.